Hi, I'm Hovig Etoyan, the Global Professional Ambassador for Kérastase. Today, I will introduce you the Kérastase new range, Gloss Absolu. Gloss Absolu is the perfect recipe to address Gen Z needs and recruit young consumers. Gen Z is a generation of paradox. Sometimes they say they like something, but they behave in a different way. This is particularly true when it comes to their hair. Generally, they have natural and long hair. And they have contradictory desires about it. They want to have deeply cleaned hair, but treated gently to avoid rapid regreasing. They need to take care of their lens for a perfect reflective surface, but without weighting the hair down. And finally, they dream of shiny hair, but with a bouncy texture. Gloss Absolu solves all these paradoxes, giving them shiny, smooth, and bouncy hair. As a pro, you can showcase the difference of your in-salon protocol. Offer her an ultra-transformative haircare experience with the Gloss Absolu Pro Ritual. The before-after effect will be so wow that they will want to catch the moment and instantly share it on their social medias. During the diagnosis, Manel explained that she wants to keep her hair long, but she's looking for extra shine, smoothness, and bounciness. This is the moment when I suggest Gloss Absolu range, which will give her the perfect balance between cleanliness and care. Gloss Absolu will deeply moisturize her hair, tighten and smooth the cuticles, and eliminate the frizz. I recommend Manel to start her routine today in the salon with the professional treatment. I'll explain each step before getting her settled at the back bar, so she can fully enjoy this ultra-relaxing experience. To start, I prepared the tailor-made Fusio-Dose treatment in front of her. I choose the Concentré Nutritive, which will nourish her lens. Then I suggest either the booster Anti-Frizz or the booster Brillance. She chooses the booster Anti-Frizz that will protect hair against variation of humidity and prevent frizz appearance. After preparing the Fusio-Dose, I continue with the Bain Hydra glaze. It will bring the perfect balance between smoothness and cleanliness, thanks to its acidic pH. I always incorporate a light massage to enhance my client's relaxing sensation. After the bain, it's time to make the difference with your expertise. Since you'll apply the customized Fusio-Dose treatment, layered with the Insta Glaze. Once the hair has been rinsed and towel dried, I apply the Fusio-Dose throughout the hair length and ends. Without rinsing the Fusio-Dose, I layer on top the Insta Glaze. To further enhance absorption, I gently massage the product into the lens and allow it to process for 5 minutes. After the processing time, the hair is incredibly smooth and easy to detangle, even with just fingers. I then emulsify the product with a little water for a weightless feel. Back at the styling station, I spray the Anti-Frizz glaze milk. I always take a moment to demonstrate the application technique so my client can recreate the look at home. Thanks to its polymers, this is the Anti-Frizz champion. It envelopes the fiber to protect it from humidity, heat and frizz, leaving hair easy to style. Styling is key to achieve that perfect final look. Clients love picking up tips from us. Make sure to share some personalized advice on how to manage frizz at home. She will love how easy this makes her mornings. After the styling, I complete the look by applying the Glaze Drops. This oil works with an ultra-precise dropper to apply the exact gloss touch that you want. For hair that are 2 times more glossy, yet always bouncy. Once the treatment is completed, I make Manel feel her hair so that she can experience the lightness and the bounce firsthand. I also showcase the glaze effect.